Banco Santander is one of the largest financial institutions in the world, offering a range of products and services like savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and investment options. When opening an account or using Santander's services, it's important to understand their terms of service, which outline the rules and costs associated with their banking products. First, let's talk about the fees. Banco Santander charges various fees for services like monthly account maintenance, ATM withdrawals outside their network, and overdraft protection. For example, the monthly maintenance fee for their basic checking account can range up to $18, depending on the type of account and any qualifying conditions, like maintaining a minimum balance. For credit cards, there may be annual fees starting from $45, with additional charges for late payments or foreign transactions. One of the key aspects of their terms of service is how they manage customer accounts. Banco Santander reserves the right to charge fees for bounce checks, as well as for transferring money between accounts in different currencies. This is important to know if you're someone who frequently transfers money internationally. Another point to note is the interest rates offered on savings accounts or loans. While their rates can vary, it's crucial to check the exact figures on the official site or in the agreement before you sign up. The bank also offers online banking services with terms that include security features, privacy policies, and what happens if you lose your account details or suspect fraud. If you've ever wondered about the fine print around online banking, this video will clear things up. While Santander offers a wide range of convenient services, it's not without its drawbacks. Some customers complain about high fees for specific services, like international transfers or wire payments. Others point out that their customer service can be slow at times. However, it is worth mentioning that many users appreciate the bank's comprehensive mobile app and ease of use for day-to-day banking activities. Overall, Banco Santander offers a reliable range of services, but before agreeing to their terms, make sure you fully understand the fees, conditions, and services that apply to you. If you're looking for specific products like personal loans or credit cards, it's always a good idea to review the fine print to avoid any surprises down the line. Subscribe now for more banking insights, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more reviews.